How to delete your Facebook account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to delete Facebook account. So it's a simple process. So first thing, just head over to your Facebook application obviously and make sure you're currently logged into your account. And now all you have to do is just click on this hamburger icon at the top left corner. If it's on your top right corner, you can select it, and once you're inside here, simply click on this settings and privacy and just head over to your settings. And once you're inside here, just select this see more in account center from your account center and simply scroll down, and under account setting you need to tap on this personal details option. So once you tap on it, you should see the option that is account ownership and control. Simply tap on this once again, and from over here select the second option that is deactivation or deletion. So simply select it and just choose the Facebook account, correct Facebook account which you want to like to delete. So simply select it just like this, and here again second option that is deleting your account permanently. So simply tap on this continue button over here, and you need to keep in mind that whenever you try to delete the Facebook account, a particular Facebook account, if that particular Facebook account has connected with different pages, then they will also be deleted along with it. So just click on continue from there and just give in the reason for why you want to delete the Facebook account. So simply tap on continue after giving a reason and simply click on continue once again. And from over here scroll down and click on continue once again just like that. And from over here finally you need to enter your password and simply click on continue once again, and your Facebook account will be successfully deleted permanently. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.